Hey everybody, uh, XTC, I mean, X-Canet here, again. So, as y'all may know, uh, y'all might be wondering, where are the logos? Well, that's a good question. I think they went back to, I think they went to, I think they went back to Irondale or something like that. Like literally at 9 o'clock, at 9 o'clock, p.m. I heard. I mean, at 9 p.m. That's what I meant to say. I heard NS 6979's horn. I think he. I think him and NS 6916. Uh. Went back to Irondale. I think that what happened. So yeah. So the logos are not there no more. So I don't know what to say, y'all. I don't know what to say, y'all, because I don't know. Probably there will be another probably there will be more probably there will be uh 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 be more logos. I mean, I don't know, y'all, but yeah. So I'm just scratching my head, y'all, cause it looks like it's issue. So there will be more logos come to Sylacauga, but I hope they're not the same ones. I mean, I don't know, but probably the same locomotives are gonna be coming back to Sylacauga. Probably they got tied down in Irondale, or they got tied down or they got tied down in and I think they're getting tied down. I think they got tied down in Irondale, I think. I don't know, y'all. But yeah. So I'll see y'all later when the second train gets here, cause I already done filmed the first train. Peace.